Did you know that hippos are responsible for more deaths in Africa than any other land mammal? Even more surprising is that they don't even live in the wild, they only live in zoos and animal parks. So why are these seemingly gentle giants so deadly? Number 10. They are aggressive towards anything. Male hippos can weigh over 3,000 pounds. And despite their plant-based diet, they have huge, strong jaws and massive canine teeth. The males also grow up to 160 inches long and stand 5 feet tall when on their hind legs. This makes them even more intimidating. They use their weight and strength to assert dominance over other animals and even humans. If another hippo gets too close to their turf, they will charge at it, knocking it over and biting it to death. Similarly, if a human comes too close to their enclosure or irritates them, they will attack them viciously. Hippo attacks are rare, but when they do happen, they're almost always fatal. In 2016, a viral video showed a hippo dragging a full-grown man underwater in its mouth. The man had gone into the water to cool off when the hippo attacked him. Despite being a strong swimmer himself, the man was no match for the hippo's powerful jaws and was eventually drowned. No, 9. They're territorial. Male hippos are very territorial. Each male controls an area of river that's usually between 5 to 15 miles long. They mark their territory by spraying urine and dung and will aggressively defend it against intruders. They can be very protective of their space and will attack anyone who enters it without warning. It doesn't matter whether it's a person or another animal. If they feel threatened or cornered, they will resort to violence. For example, hippos often fight with crocodiles over territory. Since both species are equally dangerous, these fights can be brutal and end up with both animals losing body parts. One of the most famous attacks was recorded in South Africa, where a hippo dragged a crocodile underwater and thrashed it until it died. After killing the crocodile, the hippo pulled it to the surface and proceeded to eat it. No, 8. They're unpredictable. Like most animals, hippos don't have a set pattern of behavior. Their actions are highly unpredictable, and this makes them very difficult to study. It's hard to know what will set them off, and they seem to enjoy scaring people just for fun. Their unpredictable nature also extends to their aggression. They can go from calm and friendly to violent in a matter of seconds. This is what makes them so dangerous because you never know what to expect from them. For example, a hippo can be swimming peacefully in a group of tourists and then suddenly turn and attack them without provocation. Number 7. They can run fast. Most people think that hippos are slow-moving creatures that can only walk and waddle, but this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, hippos are capable of running at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. They can keep this speed for a few minutes, which makes them one of the fastest land mammals in Africa. This is important to know because hippos use their speed to ambush their prey or escape from danger. When they charge at something, there's almost no way to get out of their way. If you try to outrun them, you'll probably lose. No. 6. They have excellent night vision. While most animals struggle to see at night, hippos can see perfectly well in the dark. This gives them the ability to hunt at night and ambush their prey while they're sleeping. It also means that they can easily spot danger from far away and escape before they're cornered. This is an advantage that not many animals have, and it helps them to stay alive in the wild. No. 5. They can hold their breath for a long time. Just like humans, hippos need to come to the surface every once in a while to breathe. They can hold their breath for much longer than us. On average, they can stay underwater for about 5 minutes, but some have managed to stay underwater for up to 15 minutes. This is useful for catching prey, escaping predators, and regulating their body temperature. By staying underwater, they can avoid the heat and come back up only when it's cooler. 4. They have thick skin. Hippo skin is about an inch thick, which is much thicker than human skin. This makes it very difficult for anything to penetrate their skin and reach the vital organs inside. Even bullets have a hard time going through their skin, which is why they're often used as a target for marksmen in Africa. No. 3. They have few natural enemies. There aren't many animals that are willing to mess with a hippo. Only a few predators like lions, crocodiles, and hyenas will hunt hippos, but they usually go after young or sick hippos. Adult hippos have few natural enemies and can easily defend themselves against anything that tries to attack them. No. 2. They're active during the day. Most people are active during the day, and this makes them vulnerable to hippo attacks. While hippos are mostly active at night, they can also be active during the day. This means that they can attack people when we're most vulnerable, making the attacks even more deadly. Number 1, they're excellent swimmers. Hippos are one of the best swimmers in the world. They can move very quickly in the water and easily outrun any other animal. They also have webbed feet that help them to steer and maneuver in the water. This makes them extremely dangerous because they can attack boats and drown anyone who tries to swim with them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to watch the next one. Till next time.